WooCommerce is now Woo. The giant WooCommerce have changed their name from WooCommerce to Woo. And now in this video, we will talk about the new WooCommerce. Woo. Hello, welcome back to another video about Woo. If you are a WordPress user, then you already know what is WooCommerce. However, the people who don't know about WooCommerce, WooCommerce is a plugin that enables the e-commerce feature in your WordPress website. Automatic, the parent company of WordPress CMS, acquires WooCommerce back in 2015 along with Woo theme. The open source e-commerce platform now powers more than 4.4 million live websites. It's a quite big number. Now the question is, what does it bring with the new rebranding? First of all, they changed their domain name from WooCommerce to woo.com and of course the logo. So now you don't need to write WooCommerce again and again and again everywhere, because whenever you are going to create a plugin or something like this, you just simply write Woo. The rebranding extends to the Woo marketplace, which has WooCommerce related add-ons, as well as the WordPress program that brings WooCommerce under the same umbrella. It's a quite big umbrella, I guess. Now the real question is that rebranding affect all the users? No, not at all. WooCommerce users will not be affected by the name change. Therefore, no action is required for this. Well, that's all for today's video. We will come with another topic next time. Till then, stay tuned with us. Bye.